Hey everyone, I've got an issue. I'm running low on toilet paper from this coronavirus deal, and I don't want to go to the store because people might think I'm impulse panic buying. But I've been training 20 years for this very day. So I'm going to give you a tip to help you ration your toilet paper through this crisis. All you need is one piece of toilet paper. Now, this is very important. The way you fold it, everything. So pay close attention. One piece of toilet paper. Fold it into a triangle. Right? Fold it halfway into a triangle and do it again. All right? Tinier triangle, looks like a paper football. Toilet paper football. Now, one more time. Do it again. There we go. Now we're talking. This is what we're looking for. All right, this is very important. Take the very end of it. And I want you to just tear it off. It's going to be challenging. Now, it's very important you keep this. Very important you keep this. Okay? All right. What you're left with now is toilet paper with a hole in it. This is where it gets awesome. Or dirty. All right, give me just a second. Okay, now, warning, this is not exactly what you want to see. All right, so I'm done. And, all right, I got to do this quickly. All right, so you take it and you take the toilet paper and you wipe it around your finger like this. And then you got to kind of, y'all, excuse me. Whew, woo. Ugh. All right, so this is what I got. Okay, sorry, this is nasty. Oh, gosh. All right, so I'm good. Threw it away. Now, this is the very important part. Now, I told you to hold on to this last piece. Whew. Sorry, I'm going to not show you my finger. All right, so you're wondering, all right, what's this piece for? What is this piece right here for? It's to get underneath your fingernail. Again, it's a dirty job, but there we go. Now we're talking. Okay. All right. Now we'll wash up. We'll wash up. All right, we'll wash up and then we'll be good. I'm not going to stop the video right now because this is nasty. All right, hold on. Warm water. Washing it up. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. All right, good as new. Woo! Okay. All right, folks. Good as new. And it only took me one sheet of toilet paper. So, if you don't want to brave the elements and you're running low on toilet paper, remember that middle school song. If you're sitting on the john and the toilet paper's gone, be a man, use your hand. If you're sitting on the john and the toilet paper's gone, be a woman, use your hand.